Hey, what's up? Jonathan Fink. This is pack opening 245. We got 3 packs of Upper Deck 2021-22 hockey. Let's rip. Sidney Crosby base. Patrick Kane just became the all-time leading scorer for Americans. Congratulations to him. It's a cool insert. These packs don't open very easily. It's always fascinating to me how every product rips different. Zach Hyman, shout out to you. Two shinies. Whoa. A die cut. That's cool. Last card. All right, so there was nothing really valuable, but there were 4 cards that were fun. Thanks for watching. God bless.